What's good, everybody? Hope y'all doing good today. Today we're having spaghetti and garlic bread. I know you're like, Jayden, what's up? You could cook. I ain't did my thing. It was science. I didn't, hold on, I get it. Yeah, today we're gonna be making spaghetti and garlic bread. Here's all the ingredients. Let's get started. Psych. We gotta wash our hands. Always gotta stay clean and sanitized and fresh. Now that our hands are clean, let's start cooking. So, first what you're going to want to do is start to boil the water. And you see, I don't got no water yet. Alright, so let's fill this up. So, since we already have the water, we filled it to about close to that notch or to the screw. I don't know what it is. It's a screw. So close to the screw. So now we're going to want to start to apply some heat. So now that we got the water boiling, we can start with the. I don't want to say. Now that we got the water boiling, we're going to start with the ground beef. So with the water, I'm going to have to put some salt and some oil in here. Okay, so now we apply the seasoning. So I got Lowry seasoned salt, got some pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Alright, so with the ground beef, as you can see, you gotta keep moving it, can't let it stick to the pan, obviously, and just keep making sure that, you see, all that brown, all that nice, okay, all the ground beef getting cooked. This ground beef getting cooked. Just scrape that off. Also keep the other beef that's already scraped off. Keep that moving too. So yeah. All right. So looks like the beef is almost done. Kinda, sorta, in a way. Definitely getting brown though. So just gonna keep moving it around. Keep chopping it so it won't have any more pink left. And yeah, I'll see you when it's done. Whew. This is hard work. Actually, I cook most of the meals that in my house. I'm cooking this though. I'm cooking this. So, alright, so we're gonna let our meat cook for a while. Put it on low, as you can see. Alright, so now that our ground beef is done, we're gonna get the strainer and you know, get the oil, I mean not the oil, the grease out of the ground beef. So be careful, it's hot. Now that we degreased the beef, our water is now boiling hot, and we can start getting the noodles ready. Not gonna lie, I'm super hungry. I ain't eat all day, so yeah. You said it's my fault, for sure. Alright, so now that we put the spaghetti noodles in our boiling pot, we need to make sure that we need to stir it so it won't stick to the pot. Alright, so while we're letting this cook, we'll come back to it periodically so we can get the sauce ready, and then we can eat, kinda, or almost. So. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean this out because we're gonna use this for the noodles as well. So. Alright, so now that our noodles are almost done, we can start cooking the garlic bread and put it in the oven for 375 for about 10-15 minutes. So. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get as much as we can, you know? You know, I paid for it. I paid for it. So while we're waiting for the noodles and the garlic bread, might as well clean up, you know, because once you finish cooking, you know, you're gonna be tired, you're not trying, you know, you're just trying to eat, you're hungry, so, you know, just clean up as you go. You know, I learned it from my mother, you know, clean up as you go, and it'll be much easier, trust me. So. Alright, so our noodles are done, so we gotta get the strainer. Once again, that was loud, but that's besides the point. So bye. Alright, so you want to be very careful because we don't want to burn ourselves. Alright, so now, I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired. I'm tired and hungry, but you know, look at our station. It's already half clean, so I don't have to do anything extra. So now we're gonna have to put the butter and the salt on the spaghetti noodles. So. Can't forget about the bread. Good. We looking good. We almost there, y'all. We almost there. For those that are wondering why we put butter in the noodles, is to help it to not stick. Also gives it a little flavor along with the salt. And so once we mix these up, we're gonna put it in a sauce. And then we can eat. All right, now we can mix. So we're gonna let the noodles and the meat cook together and blend together so it can taste right. Bro, I'm sweating, can you see it? I'm out here glossy and glowing and stuff. And there it is. We made spaghetti and garlic bread. So now you can get yourself a plate. Bon appetit by Chef JP. You feel me? You know? Alright, so now that we made our food, I'm gonna have my dad test it. So, follow me.
Okay, let's see what we got here. Yeah, nice hot too. Yeah, I approve. She's good. You do it when you're in Little Italy. It's a good job, man.
Well, there it is. So if you enjoyed, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more. Have a good day and peace.
They telling me to take the safe route. This is the detour. Hoodie baby, you ain't seen a kid like this before him. Late night.